What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. It's been a long time since we've just hung out and talked. It's early Saturday morning. You're going to see this Sunday. Yeah, so it's been a busy week. I just came in early. I work today, obviously, but I came in early so I can just clean up my shit show that is my toolbox right now. Did an engine yesterday, and then like several other services and stuff, and it was just like a complete mess. So as you can see, I got stuff over here, I got stuff over here. I'm enjoying this wide angle because I can see, you guys can see everything. You guys can see the whole box and everything. Just updates or whatever. It's Halloween weekend. So that's always a busy time. Shit. It's always a busy time for my wife and I. Got a lot of stuff to do. Monday I will be doing my review and filming the wind booster. I've had it in my car now for a couple of days, so you guys will find out my thoughts and everything on that one. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? More importantly, what are you guys going to be for Halloween? So let me know in the comments, and if you want, send me some pictures through my email. Send them through my email, toolhorse78@gmail.com. The email is also in the description below, and maybe I'll post a whole slideshow at the end of Snap on Wednesday, and we'll put a whole bunch of you guys' Halloween photos up there. So Halloween's just a great time of year. I love it. So yeah, let's do that. Email me all your Halloween photos of your guys' Halloween costumes and stuff, and yeah, I'll put a whole thing together, and we'll make them good, make them funny. Get your whole shop involved. How about that? That's cool. And make them in front of your toolboxes if you can, and we'll feature them on the channel. So yeah, let's do that. That'd be fun. You guys, I will be in costume on Snap on Wednesday as well, so I'm not gonna ruin the surprise and tell you guys what I'm doing, but I will be in costume for you guys. Just like last year, I was the Big Lebowski, if you guys remember that. I was the dude himself. So yeah, that'll be good. Let's do that. Yeah, other than that, guys, I got nothing for you. It's gonna be a busy day here in the shop, so maybe I can get a small repair video or something out of it. I'm just trying to get myself back into the swing of things and getting all the videos made again. Like I said, this is a busy week. It's been a busy month, but this is probably one of the busier weeks for us. Halloween is always just that time of year for my wife and I, so yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Really nice chatting with you guys. I haven't done that in a while, like I said, so remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I look forward to November. November is going to be a great month, so peace out, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks.